afternoon to all of you. As we know, we have a topic that is we allow student use of phone in classroom. As per my opinion, phones are nowadays very much integral with our lives, and we often use for many purposes, like for our development purposes. Mobile phones are nowadays help us to also improve our vocabulary. We learn so much from them, like we read ebooks, we learn content.
Sorry to bother you in between and interrupt. The question was, should we allow students to use mobile phone in the classroom? Don't you think you are going off track? Who would like to continue further? Thank you, Indian. Yes, please. I see you raising your hand. Continue, please.
I think why should not be allowed in the classroom because it may reduce the interaction, the face-to-face interaction with the students, as well as teacher may find it difficult to maintain the discipline in the classroom.
Okay.
Also, it can also cause the child can play games and can also use social media, so it can cause distraction.
Okay. You mean to say that a teacher will find it very difficult to have a control over the use of mobile phone during the classroom by the students. Okay. All right. Your point is noted. Who would like to add more points or contradict to the statement given by your friend? Yes, please. Yes, Ayush. Thank you, dear.
Ma'am, we can convert our waste time of classroom to a very productive time. Teacher can ask student to use several mobile apps, which is very helpful for the students, and that can be a very interactive session for the teachers, and we can consume in large number of output from the classroom. Yes, I may agree that mobile phones have some disadvantages, but strict rules and some protocols can be used for this.
Okay, so students should follow the protocol, isn't it? It's not the teacher, but rather it is the student's responsibility to follow the protocol. Any other point that you would like to add with Ayush Kumar Thakur or contradict? Yes, please. Yes, Nilesh.
As my friend Ayush said, that mobile should be allowed with specific rules and regulations. Whereas commerce and media resources, that 20% of the students have using their mobile phone for playing games, watching movie in the classroom. So I am strict against using mobile phone in the classroom.
Okay, so our friend rightly stated that most of the time students, they do not go with the protocol of the organization or the institution, and they may misuse the mobile phone. So he says that use of mobile should not be permitted in the classroom. Any other statement? Yes, Sheetal. Yes, Ratnapriya. Yes, Sheetal. We will start with you first.
I think mobile is an addictive instrument which increase the productivity of the students and increase mental health.
Okay, all right. So it depends completely on the students how to use the mobile phone, and they should know what are the right ways of using the mobile phone.
They should know what are the advantages and disadvantages of using.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Sheetal, for putting across that particular point. Yes, please.
Ma'am, as per the topic, if we are allowing anything in the classroom, we have multiple pros and cons. But we should take a backup as a solution. Like we should designate the mobile-free zone. We should have the particular time zone for using the mobile phone in the classroom and set clear guidance. If anybody will found using other applications except than the permitted applications, they should be punished and.
Okay. So what Ayush had stated, you have added value to the same point by rephrasing the sentences and stating that tech time should be monitored. Tech time should be properly monitored, and who should monitor this? A teacher cannot monitor. A teacher cannot have a clone of 60 people, right?
It's difficult to monitor for a teacher at the same time 60 students or 50 students. Cameras are there, and each and every students can monitor each other, and
Okay, the peer group should be given the task of monitoring each other's utilization of mobile phone. Thank you, Ratnapriya. Yes, any other student would like to add value? Yes, yes, Ranjan.
We are Fadil here, and I am the side of no using the mobile phones in the classroom. because I am the here. I am the
I'm here to learn.
I am here to in which our state of mind, in which in which our state of mind.
You come with a state of mind to learn. Then,
I am just speaking the Hindi.
yes, of course you can speak in Hindi.
मैं अभी जिस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में हूँ वहाँ पे मतलब वहाँ पे मूड स्विंग चेंजिंग थॉट्स एंड इमोशंस वेरी फास्ट है सो आई एम सो
अगर मैं मोबाइल यूज कर रहा हूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा?
मतलब इस वजह से नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं अभी जिस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में अभी हम लोग यूथ में है अभी वहाँ पे मतलब थॉट्स कंट्रोल होना ऑटोमेटिक मतलब ये अनकंट्रोलेबल है।
ओके, तो प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स के लिए, आप ये कह रहे हैं। ओके, ऑलराइट, पॉइंट टेकन एंड पॉइंट नोटेड।
और इससे अगर पर जो लर्निंग है ऑब्जेक्टिव है हमारा वो मतलब डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा, स्टेट ऑफ माइंड चेंज हो जाएगा और इस वजह से हम एक अलग स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में चल जाएगा। और किसी दिन ऐसा एक्सेप्शन होता है किसी के पास कि जो अगर बाय द मोबाइल खोल के अगर कोई देखे तो कोई अनहैप्पी मैसेज आता है या कुछ ऐसा कंडीशन हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से वो पूरा दिन के लिए डिप्रेस हो जाता है या कुछ अलग वे में मतलब चला जाता है।
ओके,
और उसके लिए यहाँ से रिमेंबर होगा।
ठीक है, तो प्रोटोकॉल्स को फॉलो करना स्टूडेंट्स के कंट्रोल में है, लेकिन अगर वो प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं तो यूज ऑफ मोबाइल कब यूज से मिसयूज में बदल जाएगा ये बोल पाना डिफिकल्ट। एनी अदर पॉइंट्स दैट यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन? यस अंशु। ओके, अब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि फ्री इंटरनेट का यूज़, वाईफाई का यूज़ क्लास में नहीं होना चाहिए, जो ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्मेशन डाउनलोडेड या किसी ऐप के थ्रू है वही आप एक्सेस करने का परमिशन दे स्टूडेंट्स को। ठीक है, ठीक है, वेरी गुड, पॉइंट एडेड। यस, आई हर्ड फ्रॉम यू उज्जवल।
Now we come to the conclusion because time is limited here. So if you allow me to put the conclusion, so I will proceed further.
प्लीज गो ऑन।
Thank you so much. As we all heard that most of the participants says that mobile phone is not allowed in the school campus or in the classroom because of that they said all the reasons. So we put further details in add to them. If you permit to use the mobile phone in the classroom, then you maintain a certain rule and regulations over that. So with this, we can go to the decision of use mobile phones in the classroom is definitely yes, because after COVID, we all used to with the online classes and online assessment. So we cannot decided that we cannot use mobile phone in the classroom.
Okay.
So this is the good decision.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you team. Thank you class.